Hello student, I am Professor Shamli Dhalti. Today we learn construct a DFA equivalent to given a NFA. The given example is Q0, Q1 up to Q2. There are three states of our examples, and then now discuss our solution. Firstly, we compute the transition table of the given example. First column is our states, second is our symbols A and B. Then Q1 goes to Q1 apply A, then goes to Q0 apply A, then goes to Q1. Q0 apply B, then goes to Q0 and Q1. Then next state is Q1. Firstly we Q1 apply to A, then compute the then find the state phi and apply the B, then also find the state phi. Then next state is Q2 apply A, then find the state Q1 Q2, apply the B, find the state Q1 Q2. There are this is our transition table. Now first compute the our epsilon closure. Firstly we compute the epsilon closure, that means Q0 goes to epsilon, q0 applies to epsilon. Firstly compute the given state is also epsilon closure. Okay, q0 is a epsilon closure is also firstly q0, then check the our examples. Q0 goes to epsilon, no one is a apply epsilon, so epsilon closure is q0. Then apply, then next stage is q1. Firstly q1 epsilon closure is firstly itself, then that means q1. Next our given examples, q1 applies the epsilon, then the state is q2, then the state is q2 and also q0. Then find the q2's epsilon closure. First we find the epsilon closure, then the q2 apply epsilon, then goes to q0 and also itself, that means q2. Next find the epsilon closure of the starting state q0. Closure of q0 is equal to q0 because the q0's closures is only q0. Then the find of the successor of the q0. Successor of q0 is equal to epsilon closure delta q0 upon a. Then apply the two input symbol, that means a and b. Firstly apply the a symbol, q0 comma a, epsilon closure of q0, then check the transition table. Q0 apply a, then the state is q1. So find the q1's epsilon closure. Q1 epsilon closure is given q0 q1 q2. Then find the successors of b successors of q0, that means apply the q0 on b. q0 comma b delta q0 comma q1, because q0 apply the b, then the transition tables given q0 and q1. Then so find the q0's epsilon closure union q1's epsilon closure. Q0's epsilon closures are given q0 q1 q2, union q1's epsilon closure are also given q0 q1 q2. Then the new epsilon closures of q0 is q0 q1 q2. Then draw the diagram. Q0's apply a and b, then the find new epsilon closure are new states q0 q1 q2. A successor of q0 also b successor of q0 are also same q0 q1 q2. Then find the new successor of q0 q1 q2. Then also apply q0 q1 q2 on a. So q0 comma a union delta of q1 comma a union delta of q2 comma a. Then the closure of q1 union phi q1 union q1 comma q2. Then the find of closure q1 q2. Then the find of closure q1 union q2. So q1 union q epsilon closure is q1 and q2 epsilon closure is also q2 and q0. So the union of q0 q1 q2. Then the apply of the b successor q0 q1 q2. Epsilon closure delta q0 comma b union delta q1 comma b union delta q2 comma b. So the find out the closures of q0 comma q1 union phi union q1 comma q2. Then the union of q0 union q1 q2 Q0 Q1 Q2 union Q0 Q2. Then the final state is Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3, and the final diagram is Q0 applies the AB. Then the final new state is Q0 Q1 Q2. Then Q0 Q1 Q2 apply the A and B. Then the uh, new state is also Q0 Q1 Q2. This is the our diagram of our examples of DFA equivalent to NFA. Thank you.